All up side. Yeah, I do. Right. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, we're there, yeah. For the turbulence. All that turbulence.
One time I was on a plane to Jamaica and I thought I saw a house.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you are seated, and do take care of opening any of the overhead lockers in case things have moved and may fall out. There are 3 toilets on board today, 1 at the front and 2 at the back. They are fitted with highly sensitive smoke detectors, and once again we would like to remind you smoking is not permitted on board at any time. This does include e-cigarettes and any other types of vaping devices. Be joining in the cabin with our eat and drink service, giving you the opportunity to purchase from a wide range of hot and cold food, sweet and savoury snacks, cold drinks, hot drinks and a fully stocked alcoholic bar. After today's service,